What you're about to witness is the birth of precision engineering. Every component, every connection, every decision matters. This is not just assembly. This is the creation of a machine that will defy gravity itself. First, the skeleton. A lightweight, robust carbon fiber frame, the foundation of agility. Then, the muscle-powerful brushless motors, each a miniature marvel, ready to spin at thousands of RPMs, translating raw energy into breathtaking thrust. Next, the brain, the flight controller. This is the command center, processing data 1,000 times a second, making instantaneous decisions. Connected to it, the nerves, the ESCs, translating the brain's commands into precise power for each motor. Every connection is critical. For true immersion, the eyes and voice. An ultra-low latency FPV camera transmits a live feed, giving the pilot unparalleled perspective. The video transmitter sends that signal, while the radio receiver ensures a flawless connection between pilot and drone. Precision is paramount for control. With every circuit linked, it's time for the final elements, the high-capacity LiPo battery, the fuel for our flight, and finally the propellers, precisely balanced to carve through the air. A deep breath, and power. From a collection of components, a creature of the air is born. Agile, powerful, and ready to defy gravity. If you were captivated by this intricate journey, like and subscribe for more unseen assemblies of engineering marvels. What high-flying machine should we build next?